All right, so this time we've got an odd-looking equation here. It involves, linear and square roots. Now we could, move the x and the 12 part over to the right side and then square both sides and treat it like a, radical equation from before. But we're going to use a different technique here. I'm going to rewrite this just so you see exactly what's going on here. If you have something square rooted, that's the same as an exponent of a half, right? Minus 12. So because the exponent of the first one is a 1 and the second one is a 1/2, we can use that U substitution trick, or at least try it. All right, because the first exponent is double the second exponent. All right, so my substitution is going to be U equals the square root of x. All right, so that's going to make this a U squared. All right, because if I do U squared, that's just equal to x. All right, and that's what I'm doing right there. U is square root of x. Minus U minus 12 equals 0. We can factor this. We'll break it up like that. This is just normal factoring. One's plus, one's minus. Different signs because the constant term's a negative. I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to 12 and subtract to give me 1. So 1 and 12, 2 and 6, no, 3 and 4, yes. All right, because the middle term is negative, the bigger number has to be negative. So that's a 4, and that's a 3. All right, let's go ahead and substitute back the square root of x for the u. So we'll have square root of x plus 3 and square root of x minus 4, both equal 0. All right, let's set those factors equal to 0. Plus 3 equals 0, and square root of x minus 4 equals 0. All right, subtract 3 from both sides. You get negative 3. Square both sides, and you'll get 9. All right, that's one answer. On this side, we'll add 4 to both sides, and then square both sides, and that'll give us x equals 16. All right, I'm thinking because we started with a radical equation, thinking I ought to test these and make sure that they work. So let's plug in 9 up here. All right, so that'll be 9 minus root 9 minus 12. Let's see here, 9 minus square root of 9 is 3, minus 12. This does not equal 0. All right, because it doesn't equal 0, it doesn't satisfy the original equation. So that is extraneous. That is not a good solution. Let's try this one. 16 for x minus the square root of 16 minus 12. That's a 4. 16 minus 4 minus 12. 12 minus, yep, that does equal 0, so it checks out. So this is my only solution. Okay.